Hello kids, yes, this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. And before I start, let me just say, do you remember what? Okay, so join in. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you for a DIY activity. You must be seeing, what is this? We are going to make these simple book labels where you can use them on the top of your copies and notebooks. You can put your name, class, school. You might add a division or section. So this is quite pretty and simple copy labels. Let us just see how we are going to make it. So we have taken a thin strip like this. This is a 15 centimeter by 5 centimeter. This is a 15 centimeter by 5 centimeter, kids. Okay, so this is 15 centimeter and 5 centimeter. And what we are going to do, we are just simply going to just give a fold like this, little fold to get a tip of it. That's all. And then we are going to fold it like this, like a triangle. And same way here. And this is quite simple. Now, what all things do we need is, we need a scale, a thin sketch pen and a thick sketch pen, and a red color sketch pen or a blue color sketch pen, just to show that this is the eraser. Okay, so this is the eraser. We can use any color sketch pen. So as I told you, I have taken a red color. You can take a blue or a green, whatever you want. And what we are going to do, we are just simply going to draw thick lines like this. On these three sides, just on these three sides, we are going to draw thick lines. Here also. Okay. Now we are going to use our thin sketch pen, thin black sketch pen, and we are going to make a line like this. Okay. I am not using a thick sketch pen here because I really don't want very thick lines. Okay. And then we'll draw a small curve like this. We will draw a, and we will color it like this with the black sketch pen only. Okay. At this end, we will just simply give the shape of a sharpened pencil as we give the curve of the wooden part we see in our pencils. That, exactly this one I am talking about. And this is it. Okay. And we will draw 2-3 lines here. 1, 2, and 3. And one more thin line like this. So 4 lines I have drawn, and I will just simply color it with a red sketch pen. But before that, what I'm going to do, I am just going to give a tilt like this, a bend here, both the sides, giving a curve like this to show that it's a curved pencil from here. And now we will color it. So whatever color you want to use, you can use that color. Okay, you can take one more strip if you want to. That's all. And then what we are going to do, we are simply going to write the name, class, section, and with the thin sketch pen only, We are going to write name. And we'll draw a line like this. Class, school, or whatever you want to. You just want to write a big name of yours, you can do that also. And then subject. And kids, your beautiful pencil labels are ready. You can use it at home. You want to cut this extra part, you can cut it. I am not cutting it. And then you can just put it on your copies, on your bags. You can make a thick one for your bags and you can use them. I hope this was simple. This was easy. The instructions were clear. So do share your pictures and do let us know how you have liked this video. Thank you for watching this video. Shipra is going to come back again with more DIY activities. Till then, take care.